Next day PCB assembly. Understanding component placement lists in PCB assembly is essential for successful pick-and-place setup and reliable production outcomes. A CPL is a file containing the X and Y locations of every part to be placed on a PCB. A CPL must contain the X and Y locations of each component, the reference designator of each component, the side of the board each component is to be placed, top or bottom, the rotation of each component. Whenever you're getting a board assembled, remember, your component placement list tells the machine what goes where, on which side, and in what orientation. Get this file right and you're already halfway to a successful build. Send your files over for a same-day quote with next-day PCB assembly.